Number 4, you're going to find the value of the variables in each figure. Justify your equation with a theorem here. All right, so normally notice that all our properties of parallel lines always look like this, right? Here's your parallel line, and it's cut by this transversal. Then we know the angle relationship, okay? D, the parallel lines are going up, so it's very hard to see, okay? You can see it, but I'll make my life easier by rotating it here, okay? So now it should look like what I have been working with, okay? I'm now going to draw a line to extend it. So these are your parallel lines, right? Here is one more set of parallel lines. And we know that right here, this indicates that they're parallel. Then I'm going to draw one more line for the transversal, okay? So here, we can actually get our first angle relationship if you see it. Notice these are both on the inside on the same side. So we know that 94, that looks ugly, 94 plus 3y plus 44 is equal to 180 because this is consecutive interior. Okay. These two are like terms, so you can add them together. So it's 94 plus 44, that gets you 138. 3y plus 138 is equal to 180. Minus 138 to both sides. You get 3y is equal to 180 minus 138 is 42. Divide by 3 to both sides. You get y is equal to 14. And then we also have this. Notice this and this are also consecutive interior. Consecutive interior. So I can also do 96 plus 2x is equal to 180. All right, minus 96 to both sides. This cancels. 2x is equal to 180 minus 96 is 84. Divide by 2 to both sides. You get x is equal to 42. Right? Okay, let's do E here. I'm going to move it over so we can have a little bit more room. E. Oh, this is super interesting here. Let's just extend our line so we can see the parallel lines. We have this, and here are our transversals, which are going to be in red. Okay. Well, maybe we should get this angle here first. For some reason, this might be useful. All right. Well, we know that this angle, which is question mark, if we add that to 108, that has to be equal to 180 because of linear pair. So subtract 108 to both sides. You get question mark is equal to 180 minus 108. This gets you 72 degrees. So this is 72 degrees. Now it should look like the last problem. They're all on the inside. So we could use a bunch of alternate interior angles. Okay? So let's do this one first. This one and this one. Okay? That one is of consecutive interior angles. So we know 2x plus 72 is equal to 180. Subtract for x. Solve for x. We get 180 minus 72. Get you 108. Divide 2 to both sides. This cancels. X is equal to 54. Then we can also do this and this are also consecutive interior. So 5y plus 120 is equal to 180 minus 120 to both sides. 5x is equal to 60. divide by 5, divide by 5, you get y is equal to 12. There you go. And let's look at this one. Well, I don't like it when it looks like this. I like it when the parallel lines are both going to the right. Here you go, and here you go. All right, let's see. Well, it's very hard to see. We can use linear pair here, but it's not useful. You know what? Let me flip it back. It might be better if I flip it back here. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay. So this, take a look. This is the transversal line. All right. So here, I'm going to flip it one more time. Okay. Do you see? These two x and 120 have to be consecutive interior. Okay. So I can say that these two here, x plus 120 has to be equal to 180 because of consecutive interior angles are supplementary. So solve for x, you get x is equal to 60. All right. Then, interesting enough, right here, these are linear pairs. Look, that forms a line. So 3y plus 40 plus 3x minus 70 is equal to 180. That is because of linear pair. We can combine some like terms. 3y plus 3x, right? Those don't change. Plus 40 minus 70. That is the value of negative 30 equals to 180. Okay, I'm gonna add 30 to both sides. So this cancels. 3y plus 3x is equal to 210. Now I'm going to substitute in for the x value. The x is 60. So this is 60 here. 30 times 60 is 180. 3y plus 180 is equal to 210. Okay, I just made the substitution and simplified 3 times 60. Minus 180 to both sides. This cancels. 3y is equal to 30. Divide by 3, divide by 3. This cancels. Y is equal to 10. There you go.